Hi, my name is Brandon Heinz. I'm product manager at Renkus Heinz, and I'd like to talk to you about one of the products that we have on the booth here at ISE 2020. This is our first member of the Directivity control series. This is our DC12 This product is meant for applications that are very small but incredibly challenging acoustic spaces with a very nice price point here to compete against passive loudspeaker columns in the market. However, this one is very unique in the fact that it is a fully integrated Steerable product that is based around 12 full range 2-inch drivers, 12 amplifiers and DSP channels, and will be controlled via our rAVe app, which is a smartphone app that's available on the Android or iOS store that gives you full control over the functions of the speaker, where you choose mounting conditions, your height, and your coverage. And with those 3 taps, you now have a perfect coverage pattern with the right frequency response right out of the box. This is meant to make steerable products more accessible to more people in the market while reducing the complexity and making consistent results easy to achieve every time. If you'd like more information, you can go ahead and check out our website at www.renkus-heinz.com.